Some nights I just want you to go with me. So high I go, I know, I know. Came a real long way, wait.
Moving can be a challenging and stressful process. But with some careful planning and organization, you can make it easier and more manageable. Here are your packing up and moving out life hacks. Create a moving checklist. Start by making a comprehensive checklist of all the tasks you need to complete before, during, and after the move. This will help you stay organized and ensure you don't overlook any important details. Declutter before packing. Take the opportunity to declutter your belongings before you start packing. Get rid of items you no longer need or use by donating, selling, or disposing of them. This will help you reduce the number of items you need to pack and make the moving process more efficient. Pack room by room and label your boxes accordingly. Pack items from the same room together so that they can be easily unpacked and organized in your new home. Use proper packing materials, such as bubble wrap, packing paper, and sturdy boxes to protect fragile items. Make a list of all the organizations, companies, and individuals who need to be notified about your change of address. This can include utility companies, post office, banks, insurance providers, and any subscriptions or memberships you have. Inform them in advance to ensure a smooth transition. Hire professional movers or enlist help if your budget allows. Consider hiring professional movers who can handle the packing, loading, transportation, and unloading of your belongings. If you're moving on a tight budget, ask friends and family for assistance or consider hiring a moving truck or van. Take inventory and photos before packing. Create a detailed inventory of your belongings. Take photos of valuable items or those that may be prone to damage during the move. This will serve as documentation for insurance purposes and help you ensure that everything arrives safely at your new home. Pack an open first box. Prepare a box of essentials that you'll need as soon as you arrive at your new home. This can include basic kitchen utensils, bedding, toiletries, and any other items you'll need to settle in quickly. Take care of utilities and services. Arrange for the transfer or cancellation of utilities, internet, cable, and other services at your old address. Similarly, set up utilities and services at your new address in advance to ensure they are up and running when you arrive. Take breaks and self-care. Moving can be physically and emotionally demanding, so remember to take breaks, stay hydrated, and get enough rest throughout the process. Don't forget to take care of yourself amidst the hustle and bustle. By following these tips and planning ahead, you can make your move easier and less stressful. If you are looking to purchase or sell any real estate, please connect with me at 704-777-1793 or email prime1realty@gmail.com.